Science, and I'm at the repair fair with Greeks Go Green, a club that I'm a part of, and we have our spring thrift sale today. I'm here to promote shopping secondhand. A lot of people don't think that fashion is such a polluting industry, but it really is, especially with brands like H&M and other fast fashion brands like Fashion Nova, Shein, like all these clothes that are super cheap, produced in large quantities, end up in the landfill months after people buy them, and like sometimes people only wear them once or twice. But I love thrifting, I love going to Goodwill and checking out, pre-worn clothes, pre-loved clothes, giving them a second chance at life.
My name's Ava, and I have not been to the repair fair before. Not only was my whole repaired, but I also learned how to do it myself. I was also able to shop at the thrift sale.
Yes, I've been doing this for quite a while. I'm helping to fix lights today. Not too many bikes show up, but I also have done appliance repair and electronics. I like the fact that people are getting more used to the concept of fixing stuff instead of just throwing it away. It takes some initiative to do that, to come down here and bring stuff. There's a certain set of people that are committed to that, so that's what I like.
My name is Alyssa, and this is my first time volunteering at the repair fair. I like seeing how engaged the community is here and how a lot of people outside of OSU are coming to get involved with sustainability and repairing.
Him has a hole in him. You know what? I think we can fix him.
My name is Tanya. It's been a few years since I've been here. We are putting a strap on a sun hat so it won't fly off. I love meeting new people. I also think it's great that we're keeping things out of the landfill and getting to see things get new life.